Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on a 50 by 50. It's a 20-inch square canvas. I taped it, I sprayed it, I prepared it for work, and today is my birthday, so I will make myself a gift with this painting. I really like to watch CindyArtStudio, and I love her work. So I will try to do something the way she is doing. I won't copy her, but I will try to do layering the colors the way she's doing. It's really interesting, and I would like to try to work like that. So let's work. Let's try. Let's see what this will bring to us. What kind of surprise we will get on this way. And I prepared me some colors. I'm not quite sure how this will work, but we will try, that's for sure. And we will work with a hairdryer today, so let's do it. I have some paint here. So I'm not quite sure what I'm doing, but I will do something, that's for sure. Maybe I should mix this a little bit. I need something to clean. Okay, so I will try to do something. I don't know how successful I will. She's using satin enamel. I don't have a Deco Art satin enamel. I have just a little bit of enamel, a Slovenian enamel, and I will use it in one paint. She's using in almost every paint she's working with. But I will use it in just one. This is a brown enamel. It's a lighter because of the... I mix it with the white. Paint. So let's start creating. Let's see what we will get on this way. Let's see what surprise will paint give to us. So let's relax and let's enjoy. Let's see what we will get on this way. So I will have to think about the paint I will use here. So I made me some mix of between orange, neon yellow, and Persian rose. It should be darker. It's a light because of pouring medium, but I will try to play with this orange, and let's see what this orange will bring to us, how this will look like at the end of, what kind of outcome this will bring to us. So I have a light maybe a little bit thickened, but I will leave it like this. I will risk, and I will leave it like this. So this is a light purple. And I will use it here, maybe a little bit here, maybe a little bit here, like this. Let's see what we will get. So I have a light purple metallic. I will use it too. Maybe I will add some, in some places, maybe I will add more white, I will see. But now I will do it like this. And I have my mix of purple. This is a purple that I made mixing. I love this purple. So let's do like this. Let's do like this. Even though the orange and the purple, it's a little bit risky, but as I said, we are playing. So let's see what kind of surprise it may bring to us. Let's see what we will get. And this is a neon yellow. So I will add a neon yellow too here. We'll see what we will get. Risky, but we should play with the colors. Why not? Now I could use a little bit of this pink. So let's see what we will get on this way. I think that I will add a little bit of white. I will add a little bit of white here. Maybe I could take a spoon. So I will add a white here, like this. I have a lot of glare here. I don't see well what I'm doing. I should move myself a little bit. Okay. Like this. Here. I'm really interested. What will I get? I'm so interested. I'm hardly waiting to start working with a hairdryer. So I will add a little bit more to those parts. Maybe I could make a background coat first, but I think that I will have enough paint here. So I leave this like this. So I have I got now a paint on my hair. I will see that later. Okay, I have my mix of indigo. Something between indigo and Payne's gray. I love this color. I will leave some of this here. Okay. I will use some of this. I made mixing metallic blue with something like a sapphire, between sapphire and, oh no, this is not that one. But it's something between sapphire and mixing with the phthalo blue. We'll see how this will work. We'll see how this will work. We'll do it like this maybe. Okay. This is a gold. Gold. This is a gorgeous color. This is my mix. Okay. I will use a copper too. Excuse me. Let's see what we will get here. And I have this was a beige mixed with gold. Something like a dark buff white, but I mix it with gold. So let's see what we will get here. Okay, so we will use a little bit of this neon, my mix of neon yellow, and I made me light green, so let's see what we will get here. We will just let the paint surprise us. So I still have a little bit of this yellow, so I could use a little bit here and here. And I could use a little bit of this pink here too. I need to use more white here. And we will start, excuse me, we will start with the creating with a blow dryer. So I will do like this here. I need to put those two paints here. I will clean my hands. I need to use a torch. I will leave here that I won't search for those tweezers. So I think that I should use more white. Let's see what we will get. I'm just thinking, I'm doing this first time in front of you. This is a experiment for me. So, I don't know how this will work. Oh, I forgot I need to use this one. 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 But should I bring some in those parts? Let's play, let's see. Who knows what will happen? I'm not quite sure if this hairdryer will be okay. I need to use one more torch, one more time, because I just... Let's see what will happen. I could add a little bit of magenta, why not? Here too. Why not? Let's try. Let's see. What about some turquoise here? Or maybe I should add some emerald, maybe. Okay. This should be okay. But I will add a little bit of this. This one too here. And I could add a little bit for teal too. Let's see what we will get on this way. It's not the same way she's doing. She's layering paint differently. Just that I use, let's say, this way of like pouring, layering the paint on a different way. Okay, we won't use this a lot. And there is still some gold in here. I should make me some gold, so never mind. Let's use a torch one more time. And I think that I should add more light. That's for sure. I used a lot more paint than she's using. She's using just maybe 4 or 5 colors. I have a lot of more colors. As I said, I'm playing. So it's a playing time for me. Okay, I need to keep this paint. I should prepare me something to pick up this paint. I don't want to waste this paint. So I will press a pause for a second. Okay, I'm back in a few seconds. I don't want to waste this paint. I will pick up this paint, so I needed something to pick it up. So let's see what we will get, what this will give to us. I should try to do like this to just straighten this cable. Okay. Oh, whoa, maybe I should use another foil to protect this. And I will protect this spinner because I changed the foil. So I will put this foil here that I may a little bit protect. It's gonna be easier, less to clean. So let's see if this one will be okay. If not, I will use another one. Oh, I love this. I'm too close to the, okay, it's wondering which one is wrong. I layered a lot of paint, that's true, but I want to do that. I just need to be careful on this part. Okay, it can't go on the floor. To get rid of too much paint. Okay, it seems that okay, I think that we get rid of too much paint. That's good. Okay. Good. Just a second. I lifted this foil. Okay, good. I lifted this foil with this. Oh, I should pick up this. Oh, I love what I see. I love what I see. Let me check just one more. Okay. Okay, I think we're finished with this. I need to pick up this paint. I will press a pause just to pick up this paint. I don't want this to drip on my floor. I will just check about the amount of the paint. I need to use good. I need to use a torch. I need to use a torch. Oh, I love what I see. So, all I need is to play with this a little bit, and I will just, I need to bring me something to cut something. Okay, I will first pick up this paint. This is a gorgeous. I'm so sad. I could pick up this with a palette knife and transfer it on a canvas. I'm just thinking, should I do that? Because this is a gorgeous what I see. Let me see about the sides. Are the sides covered nicely? Yes, they are nicely covered. So I won't need to use just this part, this corner. I forgot. I didn't notice, but okay, this corner too. I have this paint. Gorgeous. Let me check about this corner. I should do like this. This is original paint, original color. Good. So, I should do like this. Okay. And I need to check about this color. This corner I need to clean my finger. And I will do like this to cover this corner. This is a gorgeous. And I need to use a torch. And I will press a pause, as I said, just for a second to pick up this paint, to clean this a little bit. And I will come back to you to play a little bit with this. Because I love this. Oh, I love this magenta. I need to use a torch. I will clean a little bit more. This finger here, okay. Okay, good. So we need to use a torch, and I will press pause to pick up this paint. I don't want this to start dripping on my... I don't want this to start dripping on my floor. I will pick up the paint, and I will I need to take 1 cup and what did I say, to cut, to make me a tool for this. Oh, whoa. I think that I have a gorgeous birthday gift for me. This is a gorgeous. Whoa, 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 whoa. This is a gorgeous. So I will press a pause and I will be back very quick. Okay, here I am. I cleaned a little bit. I scraped the sides, bottom sides, the drips from the bottom sides of the canvas. And I wanted to make circles here, but I love what I see. This is a Genesis. That will be the title of the painting, because that was something that pop up in my head, Genesis. This is a moment of creating of the world, of the earth, the world as we know it. I really love this, and I think that I will wait for this to dry, and after that I wanted to make me a circles, but I'm afraid if I'm gonna do this now that I may spoil this. So I will rather wait for this to dry, and after that I could make some circles. I would rather wait for this to dry, and after that I will make the circles. That's how I will do. That would be the best. I will show you close up. I will make those circles later. I wasn't so careful watching Cindy. She probably doing this on a dry painting, those circles. Or she made it on a wet, and after that she is using a brush, mesmerizing and doing things she feel needs to do on her painting. So I will rather let it dry. And I will watch one of her videos to see if she's doing this on a wet, on a dry, to check that. Because I may always do those circles on a wet canvas or on a dry canvas. If I notice that she's doing on a wet canvas, I will make it till it's wet. So maybe I will record it for you if it is on a wet canvas. So I will do that later. I will show you close up. I will use a torch one more time because I really love this. I will show you like this because this is my orientation that I like. And I didn't waste a lot of paint. I collected in this. How would you say it? Okay, I'm going to touch these bubbles in this can. So, it's not even half of a can, so we didn't waste too much paint, so. Oh, I love this. I really love this. I will show you close up, but maybe I should wait because I see that I'm still getting a cells reaction. While I was cleaning this, I noticed a lot of cells reaction. So this will probably still give me some cells reaction, but I will show it to you now. I will put down my gloves. I adore this. This is I made me a gorgeous birthday gift because this is I love this. let me show you this. I'm afraid that you will have a lot of glare, and I don't know how you will. I have to keep my shirt. I don't know. It seems to me that you see much more darker paints than they are. Burnt sienna, and those are gorgeous. Just that I don't know how the phone will show it to you. So this is, let me show you like this. I have to change this mode. I still didn't change this mode. So let's go from the beginning. Okay, this is a right down corner. I'll show you this brown part of the painting. So we are going to the middle and down, to the middle and down, and now we are going to the left corner of the painting, and I adore it. I really adore this. Okay, I'm at the edge, so I will have to go a little bit toward middle now to show you the rest of this blue part. This is really gorgeous, and now I will show you from the middle to the left, from the middle to the left part, left upper corner. We are going to the part who will represent the sky. And I need to go slowly. My hands hurt me, so it's not nice for me to, and I have to be careful not to touch I love this part, and I think that this middle is gorgeous. This middle is the gorgeous. I don't know if you may see this yellow neon is gorgeous here, and this is it. This is that part that you should see. I think it's gorgeous, really. Oh, I love this. I love this neon yellow here in those parts. I think it is gorgeous. As I said, I'm not quite sure. It seems to me that you can't see the right colors. I will see that on the video because this is gorgeous. I'm planning to put some circles here and here, but as I said, maybe like this. Is it too much clear here? Maybe I can show you more clearly those parts here. I adore those parts. This is gorgeous. I really love this painting. This is really gorgeous. I used to play a lot with a hairdryer, but I didn't do it for a long time. Let me see. Yes, it's looking gorgeous. So, this is it. This is a gorgeous birthday gifts to me. I made me a gorgeous gift, and this, oh, I hardly wait. I will watch if she's doing this first on wet, and after that, after drying, if she's mesmerizing or making what she wants on a dry canvas, I will check that. But I love this. And I want to keep it like this. I won't play now because I'm afraid that I may destroy it. So, wish you all to have a beautiful day or night, wherever you are, from beautiful Slovenia. Bye bye.